as sugarcanes, a very beneficial plant. We can use sugarcane to produce animal food, paper, fuel, or even rum. Bagasse, a leftover after sugarcane are crushed to extract their juice. In every day, tons of bagasse are wasted and are not used to their maximum benefit. Biocontainers are an example of using bagasse to the maximum benefit. The containers made from the bagasse and are biodegradable means that the containers can decompose itself 100% in nature. Unfortunately, the containers are not very popular because of its high price. So we introduced Jigsaw. Jigsaw is a wall decoration made from bagasse. It comes with many color tones and shapes, with the easiness of installation and removable. Jigsaw can be used to create any pattern as wishes or even to create a whole wall. Jigsaw is safe for health because the product is chemical-free, so it can be used to install anywhere, whether in office, a living room, bedroom, children's room, or even in a studio to create a sound absorption wall. Some ideas of using Jigsaw. Jigsaw, assemble your wall.